Today I'm going to show you how you can replace the font style within seconds. You often have seen situation like this is the font style of Friendly Catholic Medium. All slides have same font style. If I have to replace the font style, I will have to select this one and then go to format style and then choose the respective font style, but it consumed too much time as I have to go to each and every slide and select the font style. How to do this quickly? Go to replace. Here you will find an option of replace fonts. Select it. The Office 365 will automatically determine the font style you are using in this current presentation. You have to just select which one you want to replace. I have to replace this one, medium with. Now it's your choice. The font style which you want to adopt, you can select over here. I'm going with Agency FB and simply select replace. Throughout the slide, wherever you have select the Franklin Catholic Medium style will be replaced by Agency FB. See, we have replaced it. It's so simple. You can do this in minutes. For more tricks and updates, subscribe this channel, like this video. Thank you.